Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my Ipsy. It's kind of big, so I'm thinking this is my Ipsy Extra. Let's get into it and check it out. Apparently they have gone back to sending the Ipsy Extra, and this is the one with our 5 full-size products in it. Apparently they have gone back to sending it in the wraps. And something else that I saw that they were doing, oh, I'm so excited, is they're going back to putting them in the little pouches. I will tell you, I used so many of these. I use them for gifts. I use them in luggage when I'm packing things up. You can use them in your wet bag, like at the pool, to keep things dry or to put your wet things in. I loved these little bags. I was so sad. Well, I say little, but they're the size of your hand. I was so sad when they got rid of these, and I am so glad to see it back. This one is pink with the swack, the kisses on it. It says Ipsy right there. It has the 2 drawstrings. Just open it up, and that's where all our little goodies are. Is there anything else in here? Nope. And they managed to get everything in here for me. I don't remember what my choices are. We have the paperwork out of the bag, but it doesn't generally have the information that we need on it. But I have my iPad down here, and it'll tell us a little bit about everything we need to know. Blend the rules, not bend the rules, but blend the rules. Glitchy glam. Glitchy? Yes. Summer trend alert. Glitchy glam. What does that mean? Perfection overrated. This season, beauty is the unexpected. Mismatched manis, offbeat blush, rough edges, electric accents, let self-expression lead the way, and try the trend yourself. There's no wrong way to play. I'm a little more of a rule follower than that. As you can tell by my completely matching nails. I'm getting a mani on Thursday. Maybe I'll do something completely off track. We'll see. At the back it says, oh, the edit benefit. Oh, so there's a benefit if you belong to Ipsy. There's a benefit edit you can order. I will put the information down below for Ipsy, but I am in no way affiliated with them. It's just a bag that I purchased. I have gotten them since the beginning of the channel, which is, wow, it's gonna be 8 years this September. And actually I got it for a few months before that. So it's probably been 8 years since I've been getting Ipsy. Wow. Okay, I have my iPad right here ready to give us information, and I didn't realize until I just pulled up that information that this is Marilyn Monroe right here. So apparently this month is a Marilyn Monroe theme. Let's see what that's all about. First out of the bag, and we have, I think this was selected by them. We will double check. It is the Lucky Chick I Love You, EYE, Love You, and it is a set of 3 brushes. Let's get them out of here and play around with them. I love getting new brushes because I am terrible at cleaning my brushes, but I am pretty good at not using them too long. So I just fill in with new ones and wash them as little as possible. Here's the thing. I don't really mind washing them, but I wait so long that I have such a huge pile. You get it. First we have, does it say on them what they are? This is the large shadow, and the tops are just kind of purple. It is big for a shadow brush. I don't know if you can tell relative to my eye size. It is a bigger shadow brush than we normally see. It feels like, this feels maybe like it is wood. Then we have an angled, what would they call that? An angled, medium angled shaping brush. That is what that looks like. And then we have a tapered blending, I would say. Tapered blending brush. They all have the Lucky Chick on them. It's a set of 3. It has a $22 value. That seems pretty fair. Level up your vanity with this curated set of 3 ultra soft eye brushes, including a large shader brush, a medium angled shading brush, and a tapered blending brush. Each is made with cruelty-free synthetic bristles and designed to blend, define, and enhance any look with ease. So a set of 3 brushes, and this is something they choose for me. I often do choose the brushes, but I did not have to choose these. Next out, we have All the Fills 3D Brow Tinted Fiber Gel from Lily. Is that Lily Lashes, I think? The leader in 3D lashes brings you 3D brows. So that is what the box looks like. We'll get right into it. It is in medium brown, which is generally speaking, oh, I think I forgot to do my brows today. We'll see if we can work that out. I can use my iPad as my mirror because I didn't bring a mirror. When we take it out, this is what it looks like. It's just very pretty. It's a nice gold component. It's got some heft to it. It is an $18 value, and it says this buildable 3-in-1 tinted gel packs in microfibers that cling to each hair to help create thicker, fuller looking brows in seconds. It shapes, defines, and adds natural looking color with lightweight hold, never stiff, crunchy, or overdone. So when we take it out, let's see what the brush looks like. It's gonna be small, and I'm still gonna run amok with it. I've said in the past, I am terrible at getting it on my brows and not getting it all over my face. It is a very dainty brush. I will give it that. Very, very dainty. Let's see if I can get it in my brows, how the 3D fiber does. I'm going to go to the camera of my iPad and see if I can pull it off with that. I'm still gonna need my glasses. So let's see how this does. Oh, this is, this is a little risky. It's not as great a mirror as you would hope. Oh. I don't have depth perception like you do with a mirror. Very interesting. There I am. Okay. It feels very dry. I don't know that I feel like much is coming off. Interesting. Can you guys see the difference in this one versus this one in what I just did? I have to do it over here in case it is a visible difference. But I didn't really... There I am. I didn't really feel like it was going on wet or that I could feel or see any difference. This one actually did feel it a little more. Can you tell the difference now? Well, if I didn't make a mess with them, I'm going to assume that with this tiny little brush, and I do like the size of the brush, that I did a good job. When I take it out, it has a little squirt at the bottom. So it's definitely moist in there. So I will assume that it has given me deep, dark lashes that I can't appreciate. I have broken my favorite glosses, and I just keep trying new ones, and none of them are suiting me. These are today's. But it looks like they've given my glasses eyebrows again. Like I said last time I did this, I feel kind of like clippy. Okay, next out we have Tarte Light Camera Lashes Platinum. Before I started using the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Tubing Mascara, the regular, not the platinum, I've never tried the platinum, but the Light Camera Lashes from Tarte was my go-to mascara. It was my absolute favorite. What makes it platinum? It is in black. It is a $28 value, and it says, meet the mascara serum hybrid your lashes have been waiting for. This game-changing tinted lash serum delivers instant definition while nourishing with Tarte's Platinum Lash Serum Cocktail. Packed with biotin, peptides, and a blend of avocado, jojoba, and olive oils. It helps condition, strengthen, and support fuller looking lashes with every swipe. So basically it's light camera lashes with good for your eyelashes things in it. The Thrive Cosmetics also has good for you things in it, but I will absolutely be using this. I will be giving it a try. Oh, it's very smooth. Most of the light camera lashes products have texture to their packaging, and that is very smooth. It's just I was going to say it's just a regular brush. It normally is in the light camera lashes, but I am not sure. This feels a little bit dry considering it's all serum in it. But it will be interesting to see. I'm for sure going to give that a try. But it does kind of feel like it's gonna go on like one of the drier mascaras. So we will see what kind of length I get from that. The problem I have with regular mascara is I tend to raccoon under my eyes when I take it off, and with the tubing you just get it wet and and it's gone and there's no raccooning, and I love that part. Okay, next out, and we're gonna get into the couple that I chose, and then I also have the Boost, and the Boost also comes in your extra bag unless it's the month where we get our ultimate, and then it comes in your ultimate bag. One of my choices is the Tower 28 Lip Softy Tinted Treatment, and I have it in Sugar Plum. That is what it looks like. Let's see what color Sugar Plum is. I, in theory, chose this So, and they would have showed me the color. So it's one that I approved. Let me take it out, and that's what it looks like. Let's see what the color is. I like the little rounded top. You wouldn't think it really matters, but I just kind of, oh, look, that's rounded too. Instead of being like a slanted angle, it might be vintage. I think we might have had, when I was a teenager, some that look, oh, wow. Some that look like that. That's got really good color. When I blend it out on my hand, which is assuming what it would do on my lips, it blends in really nicely and it smells good. It's kind of fruity, but sweet. Get what's off here. It didn't make that much difference because I already had on a little lippy, but I like this. I love the color, and Tower 28 is known for being one of the healthier brands, cleaner brands, which I always appreciate, especially in a lippy, because generally speaking, you eat whatever is on your lips. Looking at the paperwork, it does smell fruity. It is in lip treatment in blood orange vanilla. That's why it smells so good. Got sensitive, irritated lips? This cushiony treatment balm with a sweet sheer tint is here to deliver comfort and hydration for a pillowy, soft pout. Using a blend of 4 soothing restorative oils and lysine, it helps fight dryness and smooth your lips with every swipe. And it does too. It smells so good, and I love anything orange scented. It just makes me totally happy. I am sure that the scent had something to do with why I made the choice. Oh, good. I just pulled the next thing out. It could have been either my last product or my boost, but it is my last product that I chose. It is Dew of the Gods. It is Maui Glaze Dragon Fruit Oil Facial Cleanser. That is what it looks like. I think I looked up the ingredients when this was offered to me, and I was like, oh, I can totally use that. And the first ingredient is mineral oil. And so I looked up mineral oil in face products, and many people say that it's absolutely fine. I know that some people avoid it. Is that because of acne? Let me know below if you know, but that was not a problem for me that I know of. And everything else in here I can totally use. It has a $30 value, and it says, wake up your skin with this lightweight oil cleanser featuring a summery island blend of dragon fruit, nourishing oils, and hyaluronic acid. It helps melt away makeup, sunscreen, and daily buildup while replenishing moisture and leaving the skin soft, balanced, and glowing. So this is perfect. Let's get into this. It's got a nice seal on it. So it sounds perfect for a summer end of day. Get everything off your face. In the summer when I use an oil, it is generally a first cleanse. I will then follow it up with my Philosophy, my Purity Made Simple, which is my absolute favorite face wash. But in the winter, sometimes I use the oils as my only cleanser. Ooh. When we take it out, it is bright pink and green. Love that. Love the look of that. I'm gonna unscrew this lid so we can smell it, because we know it's just gonna be an oil, but I would sure like to know what it smells like because it talks about being so summery. Let's see. Oh, it's very lightly scented. Slightly fruity. Yeah, that has a very, very light fruity scent. I don't think that if you are scent sensitive that it would be a problem at all. And I also like that although it is round, they've squared up the bottom a little bit, because you know, you get this, you're trying to squeeze it out, it's round, you're wet. Sometimes it makes it more difficult to hold, but they've squared this up a little bit, which makes it so much easier to hold and squirt out. So I will be trying this evening to take all this makeup off. And last we have my Boost, and the Boost is a $15 upcharge to your Ipsy bag, but generally speaking, the item is worth far more than that. The only downside to the Boost is when it began, we got to choose. They would assign us one, but if we didn't like it, just like the other items that we choose, we could go in and switch between about 5 or 6 products. They have taken that away, and Boost is assigned. Everybody gets the same one every month. This month, it is the Murad, and you can't skip it. You can quit getting it, but then you're done until you sign back up again, which you can't always do month after month. This is the Retinol Youth Renewal Oil Drops. Box looks slightly squished, but I think probably it's because it's coming in a bag again. I'll open the box, but I'm not gonna open the bottle because I can't use this. I can't use any of the retinols. I don't use any of the vitamin A's. So I will tuck this aside to pass along. $74 value, and I think this is the first month since the boost began being given to us with no choice that I've really had a problem. So all things equal, that's not bad. Lock in moisture, unlock your glow. This multitasking, fast absorbing retinol face oil helps visibly firm and smooth out wrinkles as moisture replenishing omegas help nourish and even out skin tone. So I will set this aside. This was my boost. And then in my box, I got the 3 brushes, the Lily lashes for my voluminous 3D fiber-filled eyelashes. Then we had the Tarte Lights Camera lashes, the Tower 28 Lippy, can you see it back here? And the Dew of the Gods oil cleanser. This was my Ipsy Extra. This is what would have come in my regular Ipsy Extra bag. And then as my boost, I received the Murad. I'm very happy with this. I will use this and this. I will use it all. Always a winner when I don't have to pass any of it along. The boost I will pass along. Thank you so much for coming by. If you have any questions about any of this, let me know. I will give it all a try and I will let you know how I feel. I am probably most excited, and it's probably the least expensive item, by the Tower 28 Lippy. It smells amazing. It is an adorable pink. We're right here in summer where I don't want too much on my lips, so it's perfect. Thanks again for coming by. I hope I will see you again soon. If you are new to the channel, I hope you will consider subscribing. Have a great evening, guys. Take care.